As you know, we have discussed the major components of a forklift truck and what is the use of a forklift in part 1. In this training session, I would like to discuss the major causes of forklift accidents. In other words, the potential hazards, if not controlled in time, may lead to a potential workplace accident. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Number 1, overturning. Forklift trucks can overturn if they are not properly loaded, driven, or parked. Number 2, falling loads. Loads can fall off the forklift truck and cause injury to workers or damage to property. Number 3, pedestrian collisions. Forklift trucks can collide with pedestrians if the operator is not paying attention or if the pedestrian is not aware of the truck's presence. Number 4, unsecured loads. If the load is not properly secured on the forklift truck, it can shift during transport and cause an accident or incident. Number 5, improper use of attachments. Using the wrong attachment or using an attachment improperly can cause the forklift truck to become unstable and tip over. Number 6, lack of training. If the operator of the forklift truck is not properly trained, competent, they may not know how to operate the truck safely, which can result in accidents and incidents. You are on the platform of safety first life. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and fellows. Today, we are discussing about the potential hazards of a forklift truck that may lead to a potential workplace accident. And as a site in charge, as a plant supervisor, or as a safety practitioner, what is your role and responsibility? How you can inspect a forklift truck? Potential hazard number 7, inadequate maintenance. Forklift trucks need to be properly maintained to ensure safe operation. If they are not, they can become dangerous. A workplace accident may occur. Number 8, poor visibility. If the operator of the forklift truck does not have good visibility, they may not be able to see obstacles or other hazards in their path. They can meet with potential workplace accidents. Number 9, overloading. If the forklift truck is overloaded, it can become unstable and tip over. Hazard number 10, inadequate brakes. If the brakes on the forklift truck are not working properly, it can be difficult to stop the truck and it can cause accidents. Number 11, poor housekeeping. If the work area is cluttered or disorganized, it can increase the risk of accidents involving the forklift truck. Number 12, driving too fast. If the operator of the forklift truck drives too fast, it can increase the risk of accidents. Number 13, lack of communication. If workers are not communicating with each other effectively, it can lead to accidents involving the forklift truck. Number 14, lack of seat belt use. If the operator of the forklift truck is not wearing a seat belt, they can be thrown from the truck in the event of an accident. And hazard number 15, unfamiliarity with the work area. Dear friends and fellows, if the operator of the forklift truck is not familiar with the work area, they may not be aware of potential hazards or obstacles. Unfamiliarity may lead to a workplace accident involving a forklift truck. As you know, this is part 2 of forklift truck safety. We have discussed 15 potential hazards that may cause a workplace accident involving a forklift truck. Let us discuss now how to inspect a forklift on site. As a safety practitioner or plant supervisor, you should conduct regular inspections of forklift trucks to ensure that they are safe to use. I'll discuss here 15 key areas by using this checklist. If you will inspect the forklift, your inspection shall be accurate, complete, and correct. Let us understand now how to check and what to inspect in a forklift truck. Point number 1, check the tires for wear and damage and make sure they are properly inflated. Point number 2, inspect the forks for cracks, bends, or other damage. Point number 3, check the mast and chains for wear, damage, or stretching. Point number 4, inspect the hydraulic system for leaks or damage. Number 5, check the brakes to ensure they are working properly. Number 6, make sure the steering is responsive and there is no excessive play in the steering wheel. Point number 7, inspect the seat and seat belt for damage and proper operation. Point number 8, check the horn, lights, and warning devices to ensure they are working properly. Point number 9, inspect the battery and electrical system for damage or wear. Point number 10, check the engine oil, coolant, and other fluids for proper levels and conditions. You are watching Safety Was Life. Today, we are discussing about forklift safety. This is part 2, how to inspect forklift truck on site, how we can prevent forklift truck incidents and accidents. Point number 11, inspect the overhead guard for damage or missing parts. Point number 12, make sure the forklift's load capacity plate is legible and accurate. Point number 13, inspect the forklift's body and frame for damage or signs of wear. Point number 14, check the fuel system for leaks or damage. Point number 15, inspect the exhaust system for leaks or damage. And the last point, point number 16, above all, you have to check the operator, his authorization, license, competency certificates, their validity, and the physical and mental health condition of the forklift operator. Remember, if all is good, but the operator is not, there is always chances of forklift accidents or incidents. That's why the operator must be trained, experienced, and competent, and shall be authorized to work on site after making sure that he or she is fulfilling the legal and the safety requirements by all respects. Dear friends and fellows, remember, by regularly inspecting these components and addressing any issues that arise, you can help ensure that forklift trucks are safe to operate and help prevent accidents and injuries on the job site. Safety inspections are easy to conduct, but accident investigations are very difficult to face. So, stay alert and vigilant because your safety is in your hands. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.